सो मैं आज आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि चेस्ट के बारे में एंड ट्राइसेप्स के बारे में एंड बहुत सारी मूवमेंट भी दिखाऊंगा आपको चेस्ट एंड ट्राइसेप्स के बारे में। पहले ही बताना चाहता हूँ कि चेस्ट में 2 मसल होती है, तो हम दोनों में आज टारगेट करेंगे एंड ट्राइसेप्स में 3 मसल होती है, हम तीनों में टारगेट करेंगे। सो कैसे करते हैं मैं आपको मूवमेंट के साथ बताऊंगा एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन भी कर दूंगा, राइट। सो द फर्स्ट मूवमेंट विल बी वर्किंग ऑन द अपर चेस्ट ओनली। सो दैट मीन्स यू आर टेकिंग फॉर द इंक्लाइन बेंच, आपको इंक्लाइन बेंच के साथ लेनी है। सो फर्स्ट यू विल ग्रैब द डंबल एंड जस्ट sit down on the bench and just lie down. Now form a arch your spine. आपको स्पाइन को आर्च रखना है जितना हो सके. Now from here just you will be taking your arms diagonally. The common mistake not keeping your arms in the shoulder width apart. You will be taking your arms in the diagonally. Now from here head down and press it up and exhale it. Down inhale, up exhalation will be there. Again down inhale, up exhalation. Try to control the balance of the dumbbell. Down inhale, up exhale it. And done. This is the first movement was incline bench press. Now आपको मैं दिखाऊंगा second movement that is called flat bench press. So how it looks? Now again you're gonna lie down on the bench and again you'll be taking your elbow should be diagonal, not in the line of the shoulder. ये common mistake है, ऐसा नहीं लेना है, आपको diagonal में लेना है elbow. Now again from here spine straight and press it up, exhalation will be there, down inhale it, up exhale, down inhale, again up exhale and down inhale. We are done with the second one and the third one we have that is called chest fly with the dumbbell only. So इसमें क्या होता है like mid line होती है chest में, इसमें ज़्यादा टारगेट होता है जो line बनती है, right? Again you're gonna lie down on the bench. Now straight your both arms in the line of the chest. Now from here just facing your both palms each other and just going down inhale and up exhalation will be there. Just you're gonna bend your elbow slightly. Again while going down inhale, up exhalation will be there. Last one. Down inhale, up exhalation will be there. So we are done with the chest workout now. Now I'll be discussing you with the triceps one. ट्राइसेप्स में 3 होते हैं, लैटरल हेड एंड मिडियल हेड एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव द लॉन्गेस्ट हेड. सो तीनों में फोकस करेंगे. सो हाउ इट लुक्स, द फर्स्ट वन वी हैव ट्राइसेप एक्सटेंशन. So first you're gonna grab the dumbbell, you'll be standing with the feet will be shoulder width apart and take the dumbbell and grab it in diamond shape. You're gonna grab in a diamond shape, dumbbell should be. Now all the way up over the head. Now from here engage your core and slightly bend your knees and from here just elbow should be tucked in and just going down inhale, up exhalation will be there. Going down inhale, up exhalation will be there. Again going down inhale, up exhalation. What is the common mistake? आपको elbow को wide नहीं रखने, it should be tucked in. आपको elbow को tuck करके रखने. Then you're gonna feel the stretch on your triceps one. Cool. The second movement we have that is triceps kickback for your lateral head one. The second movement we have that is triceps kickback. So you're gonna work on a lateral head one. So how it looks, you're gonna take your dumbbell now from here. Now feet will be under the hips, right? Now slightly bend your knees, spine straight, lean forward and drive your elbow up. Now just kick it back, exhale it and down inhale. Kick it back, exhale it and down inhale. What is a common mistake? आप round नहीं करोगे back को, right? Spine straight, chest up and kick it back, exhale, down inhale it. This is the second movement. And the third movement we have for the triceps that is diamond push-ups. So you'll be working on your triceps. Now you'll be coming to a high plank. Make sure both palms should be close to each other and making your both palms diagonally. Now from here, just drop your chest down. It should be touch on the palms and push it up. Exhalation will be there. Make sure your both palms should be close to each other and do not raise your hip. आपको hips को up नहीं करना. Go down, inhale, up, exhalation will be there, right? Again, go down, inhale, up, exhalation will be there. So this is the third movement we have done for the triceps also. It was very good for your chest and triceps muscle. So आप कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो डंबल कैरी करके and men female दोनों कर सकते हो. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि like मैं नहीं करेंगे. Man female आप दोनों कर सकते हो.
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.